Ever pondered on how to make money online? You're not alone. In today's digital age, more and more people are turning to the internet to earn a living. One of the most popular ways of doing this is through freelancing online. Enter the world of websites like Upwork, Fiverr and Freelancer.com. These platforms are teeming with opportunities for freelancers. You could be a writer, a programmer, a designer or a marketer. Even virtual assistants and data entry specialists can find ample work. If you're fluent in a second language, websites like Django or Blend Express might be right up your alley. The key is to keep track of the going rate for the kind of work you're offering. This way, you'll know what to charge. And don't worry, there's plenty of guidance available on how to get started on these platforms. A report from Freelancer.com revealed a significant growth in creative writing job listings in the second quarter of 2023, a whopping 58% increase. This goes to show that while artificial intelligence is making strides in content creation, it still can't replace human writers. Companies are on the lookout for writers who can edit AI content and have a basic understanding of search engine optimization. In fact, some freelancers are charging as much as $100 an hour for their services. Now let's talk about the time it takes to get started. It can take a while to land your first gig, and setting up your profile on Upwork can take anywhere between 24 to 48 hours. But once you're all set up, the process is pretty straightforward. The payment process can vary from site to site. For instance, on Upwork, the timeline for receiving earnings depends on the type of payment. Hourly contracts have a weekly billing cycle, and you can withdraw funds 10 days later. Fixed-price contracts have a 5-day waiting period, and the same goes for project catalog contracts and bonus payments. On Fiverr, you're paid when the work order is complete, but you can't withdraw funds for 14 days. Now keep in mind that each platform has its own set of requirements. Upwork and Fiverr require users to be at least 18 years old, while Freelancer.com requires users to be at least 16. Some sites also require you to be a US citizen or permanent resident. So there you have it. A step-by-step guide to making money online through freelancing. Remember, the key is to know your worth, understand the platform you're using, and deliver quality work consistently.